Hi guys, Mark Dawes, Director of National Coach Tutor of NFPS Limited. And I want to take the time to make a very short video for you to highlight some really important factors that you as a training provider or an instructor or even as someone who's going to buy in training really need to know about. Now you may have been aware, and it couldn't have escaped your attention, about the recent case of winterbourne view that was highlighted in the Panorama programme, which showed a number of vulnerable people being abused by care staff, which resulted in a number of those care staff ending up being imprisoned. Well, the serious case review came out in August, and there's a couple of really important factors out in this case review that you need to think about and you need to consider with regards to your training. One of them were concerns raised about the prone position. That's one. Now, anyone in the industry, any trainer worth their salt, and anyone who knows anything about the risk associated with position asphyxiation will understand that the prone position increases the risk of death, particularly when combined with other factors. The other thing that was really interesting that came out as a recommendation in the serious case review was they recommended that the use of the T-supine position to be removed. Now, for those of you who do not know what the T-supine position is, it is someone on their back. Now, historically, people have restrained people on their back because they believe that there is less risk than restraining them on their front, because the evidence of people dying in the prone position has been hugely documented over recent years. In fact, and I'll show you coming up shortly, some evidence from a House of Lords and House of Commons research document on this that said that anyone dying from the prone position, it's going to be a violation of Article 2 of the Human Rights Act. But the T-supine position is one of those things that sort of people have not really bothered with up till now. And in fact, many training providers teach moving people from the prone onto their back in this type of position. Well, the serious case review for winterbourne view has now said that the use of that position has to be removed. It has to be eliminated. So that's an interesting one for you. So as a training provider, as a professional consultant in your field, or as someone who's buying in training, please be aware of this. And what I'm going to do now is follow this on with another short video to give you some reasons why. Thanks for listening.